like squeaky toys?
Kai. No. Come.
Sometimes when we're home alone, me and Bae like to sing.
You want some peanut butter? No? Alright, that's fine. I won't give it to you. Oh.
Ask you for emotional support, and you make me want to kill myself.
Yeah, I got you. I got this on camera.
Obi, are you babysitting?
Are they making your chicken tenders? Chicken tendies.
Barkley, can you back the blanket?
He's a good boy. Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay?
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Sorry. Roxy. Baby.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.